Right, hi guys. This is an additional video, a correction video. So, as for the slide sheet on this section 12.1, I accidentally drew the 3D coordinate system in a incorrect way, non-traditional way. So what I drew was something like this, but I labeled this as x-axis and this is a y-axis. And in a more traditional way, it should be x in here and y in here. So the reason that those two coordinates are in some sense different is that we are used to the right-hand rule. So say if you have already watched the section video 12 point, I think it's 4, the cross product. So you see that I cross J should be K according to our right-hand system. I cross J should be K. So it's going upward. So that makes sense in the system. But if I label all X and Y, then it'll be on the left-hand side. So X cross Y is K. So we are used to a right-hand system, and basically mathematically those two systems does not really change a lot. But I just want to mention that I labeled this incorrectly. So let me emphasize this again. We label the height by Z, that's completely fine. And this is X and this is Y. And same thing happens for here, I think here, and also here. Okay? So X, Y, and Z. Right, that's all. Thank you guys. Sorry for the mistake.